Hi, I'm Alicia from Puredrop Desalination. Having access to usable water is a primary factor for success across rural properties and small businesses in regional Australia. And in many cases, the water is only available through bores, and almost always it is unsuitable for animals, crops and gardens.
This place never had water here. We then put a bore down and the water was high in salt.
We are getting around anything from 3.5 to 3,500 to 4,200 ppm water.
I think it was 9,000 parts salt, so yeah, definitely wasn't good for anything.
So the next choice was to find someone that could make the water good for roses and good for garden and good for lawn.
This is where a Puredrop Desalination Unit is implemented to make bore water better.
Our systems utilise the reverse osmosis process. A Puredrop Desalination Unit filters bore water under pressure through a series of semi-permeable membranes.
So the water can be used in dry environments.
To supply the correct system to best filter your bore water, water tests are required.
Once the bore is set, taking a sample and getting it tested is simple. Your water sample needs to be tested by our preferred lab technicians to confirm how it can be used in agricultural, animal and stock and domestic situations.
Planning the position of the desalination unit, pumps and water storage all need to be considered.
Sites are commonly set up in one of two configurations.
Through our Puredrop Desalination Unit, we'll help you access quality water, ensuring suitable and usable water when you need it.
Yeah, we run about 100,000 birds from these two properties here. Maybe you can store 250,000 litres or probably a bit more. Like I say, it chips away every day and yeah, it does exactly what we need it to do.
We have 8 people working here, so fair bit of water, and because we're washing the dogs, washing down the pens, because we change the water every day. When it goes to summer months, we are using around 6,000 to 7,000 litres of water a day.
My unit pumps 18 litres a minute. We've got a lot of garden here and our watering system goes every day.
We manufacture the desalination units here in central Victoria using local and imported parts. The units are compact and delivered ready to install. Once we've installed the unit on site, we'll do final checks on flow rate and water quality, and of course, show you how to maintain your system.
Water quality through a Puredrop Desalination Unit in most situations is comparable with rainwater.
Now the water I'm getting out of the desalination plant is around 50 to 70 ppm.
To be able to have this expanse of garden and lawn, we've just got to have water.
Yeah, I highly recommend Puredrop. They came in, tested the water, set it all up, no problems. Set and forget, and it helps us with reliable water to run a successful business.
We'll set up your desalination unit and system to give you the best, purest water for your needs.
When you are looking to invest in bore water for your property, remember Puredrop Desalination, making bore water better.